Hello, just doing a follow-up video from my last one. As you guys saw, this locomotive was seized up pretty well. It wasn't moving. I took it all apart. I spent about 2 hours cleaning it. There was dried grease on the worm gears and the bearings were seized up on it. It was a mess. Carpet fibers around the axle shaft. So after 2 hours, motor's all cleaned up, got all fresh oil and grease, and works pretty well now. It has a heck of a top speed. I'll show you in a second what that's going to be like. But she's back on the main line. $128. Can it get to 130? Let's find out. There it is, 130. All right, folks. There you go. One of my old locomotives running good as new again. Take care.